Hi ladies, this is a quick mom hack that I've been meaning to do and I haven't, so I'm doing now. So this is something that's going to help save you money and save the earth. I use a lot of paper towels or I have always used a lot of paper towels. We go through them a lot, especially when you have kids. I feel like you go through them a lot because you're always cleaning things up. In my linen closet are also a million towels that we never use, like old hand towels. These old William and Sonoma towels were from when we first got married over 10 years ago, or almost 11. And they're not the colors of our kitchen anymore, and they're just worn out, but they're great towels. So for some reason I've continued to hang on to them, even though I don't really usually do things like that. But so several friends of mine have done something similar to this, and so I decided to finally execute it and come up with a little plan. So what I did is I went and took a lot of the old towels, I cut them up. I'm sure there is a better way that you can do this where they're not raveling and things like that, but this was fast and easy. And so I just cut them up into what I would use for a hand towel. So anytime I would grab a towel, to clean something up or just to wipe my hands and throw it away, I made a lot of these little towels, and I literally just grab things around my house. So, this was one that was kind of stained, and I didn't use another. And I've noticed some of the towels don't shred nearly as much as some of the other ones. But I truly just created big piles of little kind of washcloths. I already had this basket laying around the house that I've used forever. It could probably be a little bit bigger just based on what I have. But I now keep it kind of right at the sink. So that is for all of the clean towels. And literally I just grab it, I use it. And this also honestly helps my husband not use the same. He has a tendency to maybe use a hand towel a lot of times, which can get pretty gross. So I feel like this helps him also not continue to use one over and over. So this is the dirty pile. Again, I feel like my girlfriend has a huge one of these that I really need because this gets filled up pretty quickly. But again, I already have this one at the house. And this is the dirty section. So it obviously needs to go upstairs, but our laundry room is upstairs. I take it up there. I dump the dirty towels into my kind of towel compartment. And then when it's full, I wash them. And so then this is empty. And then these were fresh ones that I just got back out. And I've probably been doing this, I don't know, maybe a month now. And even Brian was like, this is great. He loves it. And we've definitely decreased our paper towel usage by a ton. So again, saving money, and we're saving the earth. So green, literally saving or going green in several different ways. So this is my little mom hack. Hopefully it will help you or inspire you to do something similar. So hope it's useful.